what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel your YouTube membership subscription. So from the YouTube app, let's just head over to your profile page just by clicking on this icon. So from your profile page, you should be able to see purchases and memberships. Just click on it. And from here, we can easily see a list of memberships that we have on YouTube. And as you can see in this account, it has a premium subscription that costs $11.99 per month. The next thing you have to do is just click on it. Next is you will be redirected to this page and you can easily see the deactivate button. You just have to click on it. Then right after, a prompt like this will show up to your screen. So you have an option if you want to just pause the subscription instead or if you want to proceed to cancel it. Just click on continue to cancel if you want to completely cancel the subscription from YouTube. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily cancel your YouTube membership. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!